Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Now in today's episode, I'm going to be decorating my front porch for the summer. Now I've already taken a majority of the flowers off the porch and all of the door wreath and all of that. So now it's all about cleaning it up and getting it set up for the summer decor. Now I just came from walking, so that is why I'm dressed the way I am, so please excuse the outfit. Now everything you see on the porch is to go with this summer sign, but Father's Day is coming, so that's why I put up the Father's Day flag. So let me get the door wreath. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my door wreath for summer. Here's the grapevine wine wreath that I like to use, and I'm using these light green hydrangeas. I'm using these two pinks, and I have an orange one that I'm using. I'm going to use, let me see, how many do I have? I have 2 of these palm leaves, the medium size. I have 2 of these leaves, no, 3 of these. I have 2 of these. These all came in that pack of tropical leaves and flowers from Amazon. Then I have this. I can't remember where I got this from, guys. I think it may be from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using pot cleaners to tie them down. Now I'm also adding a white hydrangea as well into this wreath. Now, let me move everything to the side, and we're going to work on this wreath. Well, here's an overview of my front porch. I think it came out really cute. I like the different pops of color. So let me know down below what you think of my Hawaiian theme front porch. Also my Father's Day flag, because Father's Day is coming up really soon and we need to appreciate our fathers. So I have the girl, of course she got a new hair, a different wreath, and I did add those flowers to the lamps on the side. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode.